So what's up, guys? This is just a little weekly summary of what I did this week. So basically, I just started my AI automation agency, and what I did is what I'm doing right now is just documenting what I'm doing to keep track of what I do, obviously, and to eventually see what I try and in the future, so people can see what I did in the past to become successful. So the way I structure this approach is by uh, by writing what I'm doing day by day. So as you see, I'm gonna do a weekly video to see where I'm at and to keep track on the action that I took and to see what's working and what's not working. So let's dive in. And so day one, what I did is I purchased this domain for $10, and I set up Google Workspace, and I bought a monthly subscription for Instantly. So Instantly is just a tool to have access to be able to have access to leads and have their email as well to especially doing cold emails. And so that's what I did in day one, and I started in November 10th. So day two, I started to find three niches. So I decided to go after the SaaS, the coaches, and the consultant. And so basically, what I'm going to do is for each niche, I will try to specialize in one automation. So basically, I do that because I want to then be able to productize the solution, and so it's gonna be easier when I really niche down and I really nailed the automation that I want to do. So I didn't find it right now because I don't have yet any clients, and so I need to understand the niches, the automation, and I need to just find the best one to use, and then I'm gonna just template every automation, and I'm just gonna sell it. So each time I'm gonna sell to a new client, I'm just gonna need to tweak maybe one or two nodes. So basically, if for example they don't use Gmail but they use Outlook instead, I can just change the node, and basically the rest of the automation is the same. So that's why I do that. So I'm gonna build a system for coaches, lead qualification for SaaS, and lead gen system for consultant. So basically, it's what the biggest pain points for each of them. So marketing system for coaches to have more leads, same thing for the consultant, and lead qualification for SaaS, because SaaS, they have possibly a lot of leads that comes for them. And so especially with big SaaS company, when they have a lot of leads but they prefer to have a certain type of clients that they want to work with. So basically, we can have some lead qualification for. So when we put a brain, like we put an AI model to, and we set him with some criteria that we want him to go with, and then we can filter out the leads, and then we can have only the one that we want. So that's why I did. So then I did some case study, really just something that some result that I got for myself, because I wanted to put it on Upwork, and I was doing my profile Upwork because I wanted to send personalized Loom video for Upwork jobs. So basically, when you go to Upwork, you can see the jobs that are listing, and you can directly send an application, but with a Loom video. So it's gonna be So basically, you already build the automation or at least the structure, so you can showcase to the employer that you can do what you want to do. Unfortunately, I got suspended. My Upwork profile got suspended. So now I'm looking to for an alternative, and what I found was uh, LinkedIn. So basically, I can do something similar. Of course, I have to do a little bit more work, because it's not like on Upwork you can just see exactly the job description, and then you can find a way to build something. And now on LinkedIn, I have to be more creative, and I have to think a little bit more about the automation that I want, and I have to guess what are the challenges of each person. So it's a little bit more of work, but I think overall it's better, because it's really forced me to think outside the box and come with uh, different angles and different idea to solve a problem that maybe the person don't have. But I think in the long term, it's gonna be uh, a really good thing for me, and it's gonna just ultimately make me better. So then what I did was I joined three niches on school. I didn't do this one because I forget. I just saw that right now, so I probably gonna. So let's do that today. So day 7. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So basically, Facebook groups. I don't think it's a good thing. I think like Facebook group, like school group, are the new Facebook group back then. If that makes sense. I just think I'm gonna focus first on the school groups and on LinkedIn to find leads, and then I'm gonna see. So on day 4, I tried to reactivate my Upwork profile. It didn't work. So on day 5, what I did is engage with 3 to 5 school communities that I joined previously. I think I'm gonna do that with more schools, because in the beginning, you you really need to, I think, if you do more volume, you're gonna see uh, which school communities has the most potential to give you the most return on your time investment. So I'm gonna try to at least engage with 5 school communities per day, and then we're gonna see what's it gonna looks like. And day 6, so yesterday, what I did is 3 LinkedIn apps. So I recorded 3 LinkedIn video for 3 specific profile, and I tried to I sent them a connect request. And also I saw that I still have my subscription live. So what I can do, because yesterday I was doing it really like on the fly, so I was really looking at each profile like this. But with Sales Navigator, I can just have directly the people that I want, so the CEOs or the founders. And so I'm gonna try that today, and I engage again in 5 school communities. And today is the YouTube video that I'm recording right now, and I'm gonna take a look at the Google search to join Slack and Discord group, so I can do something. I think that those group are gonna be better than Facebook group. That's what I did this week, and we're gonna see how it goes next week, if I can share that with you. So have a nice day, and yeah, I'm looking forward for the next week.